Hello, my ginger and gentlemen, welcome again to JVLOGS. Now today, this is just a little update. Sorry for the camera, I'm shaking so much. But tomorrow, I'll be heading to New York on a vacation, a small vacation. Yeah! But yeah, I'm going on vacation. This is actually my first vacation as a working man. You're working, you take a little time off. I think everybody's deserve a little time off to travel and go new places and stuff. I've never been to New York. Well, I've been to New York airport, but that's as far as it goes. I've never been in the city or anywhere at all. So I'll be there for about a week, enjoying myself. I'll be going to a water park, but I don't have a GoPro. Like, this is me, I'm poor. I'm not getting money from my YouTube videos, as some people will think that everybody on YouTube makes money, but I'm not making any money at all because I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't get enough views, don't get enough clicks. I don't make any money at all, no money at all. Months since I've been on YouTube for a year, I haven't received any money at all, so I don't make any money from my videos. So that kind of prevent me from buying equipments like buying a GoPro camera, for underwater footage, or doing certain stuff like buying good equipment. I saved and I bought this camera, which is really better than my phone camera, and I'm really happy with the result and stuff like that. People enjoying the quality of my videos more, because I've always been complaining about that from I've started. So being that I now have a nice camera, decent camera is good, but I still need more equipment. I'm thinking I like drones, I like those stuff, I like those, but that's out of my budget, so I have to use what I have. But for the water park, it would be lovely if I had a GoPro camera to film everything and go in the park, waterproof and stuff like that. So if any of you guys out there that have a GoPro and you want to sponsor JVLOGS with a GoPro camera, I'd be very appreciative. I'm always appreciative. If you want to sponsor me to get a camera, I'd really appreciate that. There's no shame in asking for help, and putting it out there and say, hey, you need it. So yeah, I'd love to have a GoPro camera, so you guys can actually enjoy what I'm enjoying or see what I'm enjoying, you know what I mean? So I'm just throwing that out there to all my ginger brother and jelly bean that's watching this. If you have it and you can support me, then go ahead. I would really appreciate it. But yes, I'm going to still be uploading videos on my tablet because I won't be near my PC, and I don't have a laptop. As you know already, I just built my PC, so that stays home. I don't have a laptop with me, I only have a tablet, so I'll be doing videos from my YouTube app on my tablet and just uploading it and stuff like that, just to keep up with you guys and let you know what's going on. But apart from that, I'm gonna try and get as much footage as I can about my trip, vlog as much as I can, and just enjoy myself and meet friends and family and stuff like that, and then show you guys what's up. So this is just a little notice for you guys. Enjoy all the videos on the channel. Watch them, comment, subscribe and stuff like that, and let me know what's going on. But again, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share to JVLOGS. Look out for more niceness and realness, so you don't know. Later guys, I'm gonna go home and finish pack and stuff like that. So see you guys, bye bye.